This is it! A scientific breakthrough! The last ingredient of the experiment. Huh? Uh-oh. Whoa, that was unexpected.
Go, Wildcats! Phew, I need to freshen up. Huh?
My hair is ruined!
Oh, yum! I could use a drink.
Come on!
Must be kiwi flavored.
No! Don't! Oh no!
I'm feeling funny.
This is actually good for science. The fourth try is a success!
You call this a success? Hello! Fix this! Good morning, class. I hope everyone's here. Let's see. Ruby.
Here!
Check. Hey! Sabrina? I'm here!
Wait, I have an idea. I hope this is enough for now. Phew!
Oh, yeah. Clever move. Here!
Hang on. I got you covered. Use this.
Cool. I'm here! Good. Sabrina, check.
Phew.
Listen up. Solve this equation.
How fun! I always enjoyed math problems.
Oh, man. Hey, my stuff is too big. Ugh, even she can't hear me. Ugh.
Whoa!
Now I got your attention. I'm tiny, remember?
Oh, right. I'll figure something out. It's crafting time! I'm not only a science girly, you know. I'm multi-talented. She needs a small school bag. I'll give her a small school bag. Easy peasy. And having a scientific mind means you gotta be creative anyway. Aww, it's already looking so cute and chic. All done. Here you go.
Aw, adorable. And it has the most important thing.
Yay! Glad you like it. You won't be needing this anymore. What's next?
Some color. Oh. Huh? But what about the equations? Right. You know what? Art is just as important. Draw this.
Sounds good. I have my drawing kit right here.
You need a drawing kit?
I mean my colors, obviously.
Wow.
I know. It's impressive. Any color you can imagine. I have it here.
I don't remember packing my crayons today. Oh well. Nope. None of these will help me draw. Hey, giant friend.
I'm in the zone.
Not for long.
Huh? Hey, are you okay?
I need crayons.
A hero never turns down a friend in need.
Stop being dramatic.
Never. Now let's see what I can do for you. Maybe this will work. A tiny pencil, just for you. And a whole set of colored pencils.
Wow, thanks! But I think these won't do the trick. At least, for the drawing I have in mind.
What do you mean?
I mean, I need watercolors.
Ugh, you always want more. Okay, I know how to deliver that. I see this as a challenge. She's testing my creative problem-solving skills. And I always come up with the greatest solutions. Haha! Here it is, Ms. Picasso.
Wow, you sure do. Thanks. I'll get to work.
Aw, so cute.
Shh, don't interrupt. Ugh, ew. I'm stuck, and all my snacks are germy now.
Snacks? What snacks?
Yuck, gross.
Oh, I see.
Ah!
It's me.
I won't eat these.
Why, they look perfectly fine to me.
Come on, really?
What do you want me to do? Take my chocolate.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's too much chocolate anyway.
Everything is everywhere.
Let me think. You need a case. At least you can keep your things in one place this way. And be tidier. A tiny bit of glue is all I need. Get it? To make a tiny case, I mean. Haha! Almost done. And admit it, it's super chic. Here, all yours.
Thanks, I love it. Mess be gone. Every little thing goes in here. Not me, though.
Aww.
And I can finally enjoy a snack.
I'll join you for the sweet break we deserve.
I'm unrecognizable. Good. Code!
Ahem.
Yes, start coding. Okay, X, Y, Z, 1, 0.
Then comes...
I'm getting sweaty. Psst. Hey. Hey!
Huh?
Finally.
My glasses need wiping. It's HD again!
I need to grab her attention. Somehow.
What was that? Oh!
You finally notice me.
I'm sorry. You're right. Aha! I know how to help you out. If this project doesn't prove my genius, I don't know what else will. I'm literally making a tiny computer here. I have every right to wait for a job offer from Silicon Valley after this. And look at this. I'm making it waterproof. Attaching the screen here. Can't forget the important details. It's ready! And it works perfectly fine. Now you can start coding as well.
Coding? I'm gonna do some online shopping.
You do you. Anyway, we're both online now.
Oh my, this love story is breaking my heart. It's breaking your vase too. I can't see your books.
Oh, they are right here. Pay attention.
Start reading.
This book.
Shh. So bored. Go, Wildcats! 1, 2. Wake up. Hey!
This is exciting stuff.
Ignoring me again? What? Shh.
Sorry, my bad. This is your fault.
But I don't have my books.
Here, you can read mine.
Stop! You're scaring me! I'm small, remember?
Don't worry, I got you covered. I'm gonna create you a mini version of this fantastical adventure. We don't want you to fail this class after all. This is going great, just as I imagined. A book can't be without its cover. And you can judge this book by its cover, 'cause I'm the one making it. Haha! I can't read this, but you can!
Yay! Thanks for saving me once again. I love the characters. I gotta look good for the teachers' meeting. My makeup is done. Don't I look amazing? I feel like a model. Yikes! What are you laughing at?
Now that she's gone, I can start working on turning you back to your normal size.
You do that. In the meantime, I'll sign some posters for my fans. Since I'm the most popular girl. Hey!
What now?
How do I look in these posters? Gorgeous, right?
Let me take a closer look.
Take one.
I can check it with my microscope. You look good, but your signature, not so much.
Why would you say that?
I'm just trying to help.
You're laughing at my face!
Don't cry, please. I know how you can make it better. I just need to grab some stuff. I hope the teacher doesn't mind. And I'll give these back anyway. I think Sabrina's signature needs to reflect her shiny personality. She's a star after all. I'm making a small color palette for her. Now, adding the ink to the sponges. This is gonna help her elevate her signature from basic to next level. Let me show you how it works. So easy, yet so cool, right?
Thanks, girl. You always know the best thing to do.
Glitter! It might be the ingredient I was missing! Time to put that theory to the test. Ha! It's working!
Whoa!
Okay, the mixture is ready. Here goes nothing.
So uncomfortable. It worked! I'm back! I'm big! Thank you!
Aw, it was nothing.
Let me just...
Huh?
It's my gift to you for bringing me back.
Wow, you gave me a makeover.
Ladies, jaw-dropping.